Once we've completed the relaxer service on Sandra, her hair needs to be blown out straight and dry. Next is a trim on the ends to keep them in good condition. Once the split-end treatment is complete, section the head in preparation for the extension installation. Here's the extension area outlined to give you an idea of what I'm planning for Sandra's hair. This time we won't be using hairspray to control the static, as it would cause great discomfort to Sandra's freshly relaxed scalp. The application for Monkey Barrz is exactly the same for Sandra as it was for Jennifer. Make sure you see the adhesive merge up and through the natural hair, and make sure there's no unnecessary tension on the scalp. Notice the mobility she has with her extension. Complete the first row as before and use it to create the sectioning for the next row. I've continued working in a solid extension pattern for 5 rows. Notice the 5th row is not as wide as the others. The hairline is left out, as usual in most extension designs. Here's the completed extension area. The entire design was finished in a solid extension pattern with the hairline and nape area left out. This hair tends to be much finer, so I try to avoid placing the extensions here. It is also a very uncomfortable area to have hair attached, and the client may often complain about irritation and rashes. The idea here is to make the extensions very comfortable for the client to wear, so be aware of this during your pattern decisions. Now let's drop the extensions. This is the fun part. Then we get to comb Sandra's hair into the extensions and check our blend. Since the extensions were reinstalled close to their original order, touch-up cutting is minimal and can be done on the dry hair. Now I'm going to finish Sandra's style with a curling iron. Although the Monkey Barrz coupling can be hit with direct heat from the blow dryer, it should never come in contact with a curling iron, pressing comb, or hot rollers. The extension hair can be curled with a large iron for a smooth look, or a small iron to create a curly style. Remember Sandra's hair without the extensions? It's okay, but it's not like this. We'll slowly wean Sandra's hair from the extensions. As her hair continues to grow and become healthy, we'll use fewer and fewer extensions until someday she'll be able to create the same beautiful head of full, luscious hair on her own.